know how you like that picture of the sun and the moon kissing?
Yeah.
And I was wondering, do you identify yourself more to the sun or to the moon, and why?
Definitely to the moon. I'm not sure if I can put it into words why. I just think I've just always loved the moon and thought it was really, really beautiful, and I always loved to personify it as like a friend, because I just remember being a kid and driving in the car and you always see it, and just like, I don't know why I personify the moon as a her, but I do. And so, like, even in songs that I write, I personify the moon and the sun a lot as people. I don't know why, but I do. Yeah.
Stay back, stay long, and you move on. Eyes shut, come close, move on. Is done. Hello, how are you? How you been? Lately I wonder it feels to steal your kisses. Nothing much, just